For this next video, this is going to be showing you how I record my screen so I can make video tutorials. And by the way, if you liked my intro video, please comment in the comments, rate, and subscribe. So, let's get started on how I record my screen. So first of all, right now you can see this bar down here in the corner, counting my time and telling me my resolution of where it's recording. Which, that's just telling me that it's recording, because I gotta know somehow. So, the program is, what I use is called Bandicam. As you can see, I just pulled up the window, and down here you can see is where my audio is, where I'm speaking currently, and then all the stuff in it. This is a very simple program, originally made for gaming, very powerful, it records in high def, it records very well, and it'll record anything you tell it to. So how to get it, that's going to be in this video. So, let's go on to the next part of this video. To get the program, what we're going to do now is we're going to go to our internet browser, and then go to the website www.bandicam.com, and that's spelled B-A-N-D-I-C-A-M. So after that's loaded, and also you may have known that I use Bandicam because of the watermark that's usually up here, somewhere around here, in my videos that I record my screen with. Which, that's the only defect of it being free. But it records very well, absolutely free, 100%. It's a great program. It's easy to use as well. Okay, so to get it, obviously, we're going to go down to the download section. And after that's loaded, there's two ways to download. Two ways over here on downloading. And by the way, this is not my Bandicam. This is just an example. Like, GIF. So, here are the two locations that you can download. You can download it from brothersoft.com or softonic.com. Don't actually go to those websites like, put it in your address bar, but you want to click the link down here. So honestly, I don't know which one is better because I've only done one. I use Softonic and it worked fine for me, so I don't know if Brothersoft doesn't work or anything because I haven't tried it. So it doesn't matter, you go ahead and do the way you want. If it doesn't work on Brothersoft, please comment so then I can add an annotation saying that it doesn't work. So after you've downloaded, make sure you press run, so then you start the setup. And set it up the way that you want to set it up, because it's yours. And also, this program is very compatible, as you can see here. It works with Windows 2000, 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. And that's the only reason I'm allowed to use it, because it has Windows 7. I'm lucky. Usually programs like these don't support Windows 7, but either way. Once you've, installed it and got it up to your settings, make sure you also add a link, a shortcut to your desktop so you can get to it easily. Now here, at my desktop, my shortcut is right over here. So open the program. When you open it, I'm just going this way because I'm already recording. So, usually when you open it up, it'll pop in the last place that you were, which this may be the first time that you're opening. And I believe there's a first setup page. I'd set that up if I were you. I don't remember if there is or not, but go ahead and do it the way you like. So once you get here, you get to set up all your settings for your video and stuff. And I can't really record this because this will mess up my video. And I recommend you use 30 frames per second. And if you're recording something that requires your mouse, you can go ahead and uncheck the no cursor mouse box. And it also will do screen captures, take pictures of it. So it's very simple. There's a system called square or rectangle on a screen, which that's the default. Instead of being over here, it'll have like a blue square on the screen, and it'll turn red when it's recording. You can use that just to show a certain part of the screen, or you can just go ahead and press the full screen button, which I have it set to full screen right now because you can see my entire screen. and this is what I usually use for my videos. So once you've gotten that done, you can go ahead and actually, first of all, after you've recorded a video, you may not know where the actual video is. So to get to that, you have to go to your general section, and it will tell you where it is. It'll give you the path to where it is, and if you don't want to have to, copy and go through all that path, you can just press open. And also, you can change it by going into your settings. I don't remember if this one or this one. I don't want to mess with it while I'm recording. So you can go ahead and fool around with it. It's actually a great program for recording and, screen recording. I actually use it for recording my Need for Speed World, as you may have seen in my other videos and things like that. So that is how to do it. And after you've gotten to your file, it's usually in an AVI. Yes, they have it in AVI files, so you can just put it into your editor, however you prefer. Just depends on what editor you use, and then after you put it in your editor, then you can edit it and put it together in a video. And that's the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you have a suggestion of what to write a tutorial about, please write it in the comments, and also rate, comment, and subscribe.